Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to talk about Mojo Programming Language, which is a superset of a Python, and it's a new programming language, especially for AI developers. Mojo Programming Language is 35,000 faster than that in a Python programming language, as per that in their website, and we are going to see. So first of all, if you'll see in a language, whatever it was like in almost a thousand plus language we have, and most popular are few of them like Python, Java, C++, and many more. In 2027, trend were there for again something like that in terms of a web development, applications development, and many more. Now Mojo come into that in May 2023. It's announced, and it's a new programming language for all AI developers. As per their website, modular.com, Mojo, they are claiming 35,000 faster than the Python programming language. If they are running the similar kind of code, it's taking about 1027 seconds. However, in Mojo, it's running in 0.03 seconds, which is about to in a speed of 35,000x. Mojo is designed and developed with a usability of a Python programming language plus performance of the C programming language. Due to that, it's giving that in a that much of a like in a speed. The feature of a Mojo Lang includes like in leverage the types, zero cost abstractions, ownership of a borrower checks, and auto tuning. Apart from that, there is a major features we have, which is the parallel computing. The Mojo Lang has a built-in parallel functions, multi-thread, increase your speed by 2000 time, and parallel processing is not available in that in a Python and can be complex too. Note, each and every programming language have their one set of users and purpose, so none of the programming languages are going to retire. I have already like in sign up for getting that in a access. Still I'm waiting for, and Mojo you on that in a waiting list. And these are the few reference I refer it, which is https://www.modular.com and Mojo, and few more. If you go to that in a modular.com Mojo, you will be see they are claiming Mojo are a new programming language for all AI developers. Mojo combines the usability of a Python, performance of a C, and unlock on parallel programming of the AI hardware and extensible AI module. If you come all the way down, see here they are running that in a Mojo code. Extension is not yet, and this is the Python code. In Mojo, you can see that in a struct, struct is nothing but is C functionality. I'll be go all the way down, and if you'll see getting a start to that in a Mojo, if you click it, it will be go all the way down. Few more programs and their features are there. You can just go through that. Apart from that, I want to showcase their main features, which is the single thread executions in the Python, whereas in that in a Mojo you can see we have a parallel processing across the multiple cores. The fast and speed in terms of that and 35,000x, but again it's depend on the what kind of a programs you are running, right? So if you go all the way down, we have him like in button called request the access. You can request the access for getting it, and you'll be get that in a access once it is done. You can also click on the get started. Apart from that, you can also refer that in a GitHub URL. Okay, and if you thanks for watching my video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.